preparing your Manhattan remote to operate your TV. Before you begin, set the volume to maximum on your T4 or T4R. These are the 5 buttons that can be paired. Mute, volume up, volume down, the TV standby button and the TV AV button. With your remotes roughly 2 centimeters apart, hold SAD and zoom for 3 seconds, until the standby button lights up solid blue. Now press the button you want to program. Here we start with the mute button. The standby button should flicker. Hold down mute on your TV remote until the standby button goes solid. Now the next button, volume up. Hold down volume up on your TV remote until standby goes solid. Press the next button, volume down. Hold down the volume down button on your TV remote until standby goes solid. Now let's do the TV standby button. Hold down the standby button on your TV remote until standby goes solid. And finally, press the TV AV button. Hold down the AV or input selection button on your TV remote until standby goes solid. That should be it. Press OK and give it a test.